This is the Bucyrus train station, and of course it hasn't been used quite a few years, but they're restoring it, and we have a farmer's market out here in a parking lot about every Saturday. So trains come through here. Down there they're coming from well, Marion and Columbus, and then there's a crossing right on the other side of this station building here. One track going off to the west, going towards Lima, and then the north track is going up towards Sandusky, Ohio. And then this track here goes out towards Mansfield, Ohio. So this is quite a railroad center.